Okay, let's go inside. So coming right in the door here, we're going to put her in onboard mode, and as you can see, the lighting in this unit is gorgeous. So here we have the power reclining sofa with storage up above, and as you come in, you've got nice foot space here. This is a nice look down the hall. One of the things about the rear bedroom twin is the long hall certainly gives you much more of a feeling of lots of space. Have beautiful countertops, a little desk board here, all of your controls there. These are removable so that you can get to the sink, and then of course you have your stove down here and a nice window there. Over here you have your dinette set. This table can be raised and lowered automatically. It's power raise and lower, and this is also where the extra bed can be made up if you have guests. There's storage up above on both sides. Nice cabinet storage here. And then as you come down, we have the Dometic refrigerator. This has nice space in it, and we found that it met our needs very well. Pantry is here. I think there are a couple of cups in here, but other than that, so that makes for easy usage. The doors lock easily, and a little extra spice storage up there. This is your closet area in here, and it's cedar lined, and as you can see, a lot of room there. The way this is set up, you have a privacy curtain here, and so this can be walled off. You can have the whole area for showering and dressing. This is the shower, and it does have the upgrade of a teak floor, which we liked very much. In addition, here's the bedroom. There's storage up above and at your feet. There's a television here that can be tilted up, down, sideways. Storage up above the beds. Nice bedside table. These beds are power adjustable beds, so you can raise and lower the head. I particularly liked that. And then here is, go in here and flip this light on real quick. Whoops, didn't touch the button enough. Here's the bathroom. And everything fully functional in here. Heated towel bar here. So all the lights kind of come on and off gradually, and then here's a nice shot looking back toward the reclining sofa. Hopefully that is helpful. Thank you.